So Srinath has few questions on the technology where I'll try to answer based on what best knowledge I have. So let's see what is his questions for today.
Yes, sir, I have a question. So the first question is like, what is the difference between data analyst, data engineering, and data scientist?
Fantastic. So the question what he has is you want to know the difference between what is data analytics, data science, and data engineering. Correct?
Yes.
So when we say data analytics, it's something where what has already happened. For example, let me say for scenario, there is some banking data which you have. You want to understand like how many loans have been sold for this particular month, or how many accounts have been created for this year, or you want to understand like what might be how many number of males or females who have been taken the loan and other aspects. So the information which says like what has already happened, that is analyzing the data, is data analytics. Taking the historical data and understanding what has happened with it is called as data analytics, right? If you want to say like what happens next, that is data science. For example, let me say you already have so much of loan accounts and you want to understand like who will pay the loan, who will not pay the loan. That is telling like what happens next. You want to say like what happens next, that is about data science, that is a predictive modeling. So what happens is when you say data analytics or data science, in both the cases you want the data, right? There is a data, there's a database, an SQL database, Oracle database, or it can be any unstructured database. You take this database from repo and you try to analyze it. Later you try to predict this. So analyzing this something which you try to say like what has happened, that is analytics. And next is prediction, data science. To do both of these things, we need to take the data and arrange it. Okay, this arrangement of data is all about data engineering. See, we can say like there's an SQL repo which is happening every day, and directly you can't take that repository and you can't doing some analysis. You need to make some pipeline so that the application database is here, then you have intermediate DB. From the intermediate DB you connect to analytics pipeline, analytics environment, then the prediction. This middle layer of connecting to your analytics environment to the SQL environment is something is data engineering role. Okay, or data engineering is a person who facilitates the data for data analyst. Okay, data analyst is a person who gives the clarity about the data for data science engineer. Data science is a person who makes prediction out of the data. So data engineering, then data analytics, then data science and machine learning. Got the point?
I understand.
Right? Have any questions on this?
Like what all necessary prerequisites do I have to learn in order to like enroll myself in this course?
Fantastic. So his question is like, you want to become a master in data analytics or data science or data engineering, what is that I need to learn? So we'll wait for the next video for this answer. Thank you.